Meet Mr. Wilson, manager of a renowned textile company. For the last few months, he was looking for boiler economizers to reduce the boiler operational cost. Mr. Wilson contacted several companies, but couldn't find the appropriate appliances. One day, while scrolling through internet, he came to know about O'Brien Boiler Services Proprietary Ltd. He browsed o'brienenergy.com.au and found a range of standard models. Without further delay, Mr. Wilson chose and ordered the suitable models. After installing them, he was satisfied with their services and the modern features. They are made of top-quality stainless steel and have a flexible design to access easily. Do you also want to buy such steam boiler economizers as Mr. Wilson? Contact 1300771759 to know further.